To give up, you have to be dead, or completely incapacitated.
Still Don T fish. Still doing my ting bish. Since I left ain't nothing change. I made meat, deep fried bread, chips cake. Amazing. Meta. Damn, these fat flunks could fest on that tea. But should I own it a little? Maybe. Still Don T fish. Still TCP IP fish. Still DevOps fish. Still Python fish. So previously on Ready Not to Die Right Now. TCP. Transmission Control Protocol. Up next. TCP three-way handshake. Anyway, before system can communicate over TCP, it must first establish a CAN. Connection to remote system. It does this using TCP three-way handshake. Three-way handshake involves three phases. Sin ACK acknowledgement. Sin. Sending system sends SYN message to receiving system. Each packet, understand transport right? Each packet sent is assigned unique sequence number. SYN message contains the initial sequence number, ISN, which is the first sequence number to be used. So example, host to send packet to host B port number 80 and does sin ACK acknowledgement DUAC? But. SYN acknowledgement. This phase acknowledges the first message, but at the same time indicates its initial sequence number. So if host A sends SYN, then host B sends back SYN ACK acknowledging that it has received the OCAT but also his own special ISN aka initial sequence number. But. Acknowledgement. Last phase. Acknowledgement message that acknowledges that that packet was sent in the second phase has been received. So if A sent the message SYN, B sent back the message SYN ACK and then A sent the message ACK back. SYN ACK acknowledgement. Sending back the ACK, it also sends back the ISN +1 aka if initially it was 555, then the A host sends back ISN aka initial sequence number, which is 556. Aka next sequence number. Boom. Amazing hard stuff. Up next on Not Ready to Die Right Now, ATL East for some long but also goog time. Disconnecting from the TCP session. So what about Python? What about it? So let's start from basic. Like dumbed out basic. What make a language? Alphabet, lexis, syntax, semantics. Alphabet is a set of symbols used to build words of a certain language, for example, the Latin alphabet for English, the Cyrillic alphabet for Russian, kanji for Japanese, and so on. Lexis is, aka a dictionary, a set of words the language offers its users. For example, the word computer comes from the English language dictionary, while poptrue doesn't. The word chat is present both in English and French dictionaries, but their meanings are different. Syntax is a set of rules, formal or informal, written or felt intuitively, used to determine if a certain string of words forms a valid sentence. For example, I am a Python is a syntactically correct phrase, while I a Python am isn't. Semantics is a set of rules determining if a certain phrase makes sense. For example, I ate a donut makes sense, but a donut ate me doesn't. The eel is, in fact, the alphabet of a machine language. This is the simplest and most primary set of symbols we can use to give commands to a computer. It's the computer's mother tongue. Unfortunately, this mother tongue is a far cry from a human mother tongue. We both, computers and humans, need something else, a common language for computers and humans, or a bridge between the two different worlds. We need a language in which humans can write their programs and a language that computers may use to execute the programs, one that is far more complex than machine language and yet far simpler than natural language. Such languages are often called high-level programming languages. They are at least somewhat similar to natural ones in that they use symbols, words and conventions readable to humans. These languages enable humans to express commands to computers that are much more complex than those offered by EELs. A program written in a high-level programming language is called a source code, in contrast to the machine code executed by computers. Similarly, the file containing the source code is called the source file. Boom. But maybe DevOps right. Okay. Cloud, language, OS, servers, networking, containers, conference management, CI/CD, monitoring logs, monitoring infra provisioning, scripts, monitoring apps. But. Clouds, some programming, servers, some CCNA, containers, monitoring, scripts, configs, CI/CD. Now languages like Go. But I guess it would be Python for me. Now but. Some job might require Azure DevOps, SQL, Shell, PowerShell, Kubernetes, Elk Stack, Logstash, Linux, AWS X, Terraform. Bonus for them might be RabbitMQ, Kafka, IBM MQ, OpenShift, NetCore, Prometheus, Grafana, AWS CloudWatch, Argo CD, Ansible and Helm charts. Be a part of our terraforming our public cloud setup. Amazing. Whatevs. But. Agronoms for the day. Day 15. KVM, Keyboard Video Mouse. L2TP, Layer 2 Tunneling Protocol. LACP, Link Aggregation Control Protocol. LAN, Local Area Network. LC, Local Connector. LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. LEC, Local Exchange Carrier. LED, Light Emitting Diode. LLC, Logical Link Control. LLDP, Link Layer Discovery Protocol. Damn, while making this meat sandwich cake I pound leftovers too much, haha. My fat ass, but I will do the 50,000 steps plus today also, so maybe some reconciliation. Weekly you might be doing some 250,000 steps. Over milli a month. Not bad, I guess. 1,1 milli plus. But the winter is coming, brace yourselves. Haha, boomalakas and holiwoo, bye bye. Today you might see some grills, but it will be same old staring and doing nothing on both of you. AKA you do know grill is coming over like never. Bye bye.
Things I didn't say, there's wrecking balls inside my brain. Standing tall with all my faith, there's empty voices in my head, and they will always be around until I found the one again. Beautiful woman, sometimes we simply fall out. Beautiful woman.